everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a diptych Dutch pour. We're going to try that, but before we get started, these are the paintings we did last weekend. They are now dry. So we've got this little Dutch pour, very, very cute. It's got some gold in it, which is nice, giving a nice shine. Beautiful colors in it, lovely patterns and designs. Turned out really, really very pretty. And then this one is the swipe. Look at those colors. There's also quite a bit of gold in here. I don't know if it's picking it up, but there is gold in there. And lovely colors. Beautiful, bright, colorful painting. Turned out really, really very pretty. So both of these are going to be photographed and put in my Etsy shop today. And then for today's diptych, we're just going to use these little canvases. They are, let's see, 20 by, looks like 25 centimeters. And we're going to do a diptych Dutch pour on those. So I'll be back. Let me get myself ready. Right, I'm back, and I'm just going to put my gloves on and then we'll get started. Again, we're just going to use my little mini blower to blow them out. So let us start. So in this one I have a lot of white with a touch of light green, and I've watered it down so it's a nice thin consistency. And I'm going to put a puddle of this on each canvas. That. That's fine. Right, then onto that, I think I'm going to put some of this darker green. Like that. Then onto that I'm going to put some neon yellow. And then finally onto that I'm going to put some of this very deep purple from Liquitex. Okay, and now we're going to blow them out. So here they both are. Look at that. I'm going to bring you closer now. So very pretty colors in this one. This one is, like I said, much brighter than the other, but they both came out pretty, so I'm happy with that. But beautiful colors, beautiful lines and patterns and designs. Stunning purple over there. Lovely, lovely coloring in there. Very pretty. And then the second one, I mean, it's still got color, you know, look at that. It's pretty. That look at the patterns and designs in that purple. Lovely coloring in there. Very, very, very cool. Really, very, very cool. I like both of them. Very nice. So there we go, everyone. Thank you for joining me today for this quick painting. Like I said, those two dried ones, I'm going to go and photograph them now. So they will be in my Etsy shop today. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, say hi, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back tomorrow morning for another painting, so join me for that one. Thanks everyone. Bye.